In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Surveymonkey survey. Whether you're looking to keep your survey organized or wanting to introduce different sections for various topics, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Having a well-structured survey can really enhance the experience for your participants and ensure you gather the right data effectively. First, let's open your survey and head over to the Design Survey tab. This is your main workspace where you can control and tweak the layout, structure, and flow of your survey. Once you have this tab open, scroll down to the very bottom of any existing survey page. You'll see an option with a Plus New Page button. Clicking this will automatically create a brand new, blank survey page directly below the current one you're working on. This is quick and straightforward if you're looking to add another page to your survey without disrupting your existing structure. If you prefer a bit more control or want to insert a new page at a specific spot within your survey, you have another option. Simply drag and drop the page break block from the Build sidebar into your desired location. This handy feature allows you to split a page at any point and create a fresh, new page right there. Surveymonkey will seamlessly handle the transition for you. With your new page ready, the next steps provide a lot of flexibility and options for organization and editing. Start by adding questions to the new page just as you would on any other page, using that same Build sidebar. This tool is your go-to resource for crafting the content of your survey pages. If you click on the top bar of the new page, you will see a More Actions menu, symbolized by 3 dots. That's where things get interesting. From here, you can edit the page's title or add a description to provide context for your survey participants. It's a great touch to keep things clear and concise for respondents. You also have options to move the page up or down within the survey, which can be particularly useful if you need to reorder the flow of your survey after rearranging questions or sections. If, by chance, you no longer need the page or wish to reuse it elsewhere, you can choose to copy or delete it. Remember, there's also the option to move questions around rather than directly deleting them, which can be a big time saver. Lastly, for those with a paid plan, dive into Page Logic or Skip Logic. This advanced feature allows you to control whether respondents see this page based on their answers to previous questions. It's a powerful way to customize the survey experience and capture more nuanced data. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effectively manage and organize your survey pages in Surveymonkey. Happy surveying!